Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to quickly move back to the top of the website page without needing to scroll in iPhone or iPad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So if you're using an iPad also, the tricks will remain the same. So say let me open one web browser, say a Safari web browser. So say I have opened one website, right? So suppose I'm scrolling downwards and I'm reading or seeing some articles here, right? So now in order to quickly move to the top of the web page, what we most probably do, we'll just try to scroll upwards, right? Like this. But on this tricks we are not going to use this scrolling method. Instead of that, what we'll do, on the top of the mobile screen where you can see a cellular icon or the battery icons or the time icons on the top of the screen, you can tap anywhere, either on the left side or right side or on the center also you can tap it. So what you need to do, just double tap, so you can see it will quickly move to the top of the website page. So let me show you again. Say I've scrolled and let me suppose double tap, so you can see here. So now you might be thinking, well, this tricks gonna work with any other web browser other than the Safari web browser, right? So let me show you by opening another web browser like Chrome web browser, right? Now let me just scroll downwards like before. So now let us try the same tricks as we have tried with the Safari web browser. Let us double tap on the top of the mobile screen. So now you can see here. So let us try again. So you can see. So this tricks works even with every web browser other than the Safari also. So using this cool tricks, you can quickly move back to top of the website page without needing to scroll in iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.